Hello everyone, as Xhorse's latest major launch, CONDOR-XC Twins comes with a range of advantages and powerful functions. In this video, we'll take a closer look at one of its outstanding features, intelligent AI optical recognition. What is the optical recognition function of XC Twins? The basic principle is that the built-in camera takes images of the key under different lighting angles, and then the AI automatically identifies the key type and marks the valid positions for decoding. When is it recommended to use AI optical recognition function? If the database already contains data for the current key, it's recommended to select the corresponding data for efficient decoding and cutting. If the database lacks data for the current key, AI optical recognition can be used for decoding and cutting. It is suitable for most car keys and household keys, especially complex household keys. Next, we'll walk you through the complete process of AI optical recognition. Click on Optical Recognition, select the corresponding key type. For most keys, you can select the regular key recognition option, select the alignment method, tip align, select the clamp, M5 LP clamp, install the key, take photos for recognition. Make sure the protective cover is closed during this step to avoid interference from strong surrounding light. Key type identified. Confirm the result and click Continue. Start decoding. Key decoding completed. Afterward, install the corresponding cutter to proceed with cutting. That's all for the introduction to CONDOR-XC Twins optical recognition function. We'll share more operation tutorials in the upcoming videos. See you next time.